Hey guys, welcome to Experience Design. Today, we're going to look at TymeBank. We want to analyze their digital experience and share what we perceive as being a bad experience and share what we perceive as being good experience. And based on what is bad, we will share our recommendations. And hopefully, from a design perspective, you can learn a thing or two. Without wasting time, let's jump straight into it. After going through the TymeBank's website, this is what I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to start with the good. So what was like so awesome about this experience was that when I had to log in, all they asked me was my ID number and the password. The login was so simple. Developers and security team, you guys killed this. You killed it, hey? Customers don't need to remember custom username, an ID number is so simple because it's yours. You can easily remember, right? They didn't even use an email because they know that, based on their target market, some people don't have email addresses. I know of some guys in Eastern Cape that don't have an email address. That's why even like Facebook and Twitter now, you can even use a number. Okay. The other thing that I thought was great was that I could just do a one-and-click and pay. The concept of open banking and open finance, was evident in this experience. So I could see that they have food and travel, entertainment, and other options, right? Beyond the basic ones. And when I clicked on insurance, I saw these like 3 options, and I saw, oh, okay, I could buy a funeral cover, right? It was so easy. This showed that there was a great collaboration between TymeBank and insurance companies. I'm going to talk more about open banking and open finance in another video, guys. So come back. I didn't have to go through a long application process to get a funeral cover. You can just choose here, boom, boom, you're done. You move on with life. Another one was to create, UberEats vouchers. This was quite nice. Product owners, you did the Lord's work here. Creating vouchers here was so simple. I couldn't do it via UberEats because you need to have a business account. So I'm forced to come here. We celebrate, each other's birthdays in our design team. I have to often come here and generate these vouchers. As you guys can see here, these are the vouchers that I've been, generating. Okay, and I'll be coming back to do more. Great concept of open banking. You guys are rocking here. So now, let's look at the bed. Cool. I was talking about this, right? Sharp. I could, select insurance category, come here, choose a funeral cover, etc. Right? But there was some missing details here that were key. I couldn't see the cover amount. I had to go to Google just to search about AA2 funeral cover. I don't know who the hell those guys are. I don't know Freedom Life, etc. It was my first time. I don't even know how to compare these options because all I'm seeing is that I can select and then select an amount. Okay. And I thought maybe if I to click continue, I'll see some details. Nothing happened, guys. Anyways, so I thought, hey, let's introduce these like rich cards where you've got an image that's same image used in the company's websites. You can have some details showing the benefits. You can learn more just by expanding the card within this view. You don't have to go anywhere. Okay, let me show you guys quickly. So I've selected now A2. This is how this card looks like. You can see grocery, airtime, blah blah blah, and I can learn more without going anywhere. I can see the monthly amount I have to pay and the cover that I'll get, okay, which are these details here. Okay, I went to the banking to the business section, guys. This is what I came across. I was like, okay, cool, it's great. I can see that TymeBank offers business account even if I don't have a business right now. And I was going through some details, and they say pay no monthly fees. I was like, okay, sharp, but how will they get their money? I have trust issues. I just have to be honest about that. And anyways, and then I saw this like really low charges for other transactions. I was like, what are other transactions? Come on, you know, it would have been great to see that. How do we solve for it? We need to include those details, guys, in this journey, right? And I came across these details like somewhere, and I'm like, that was like outside of like, you know, the logged in space. So just include the fees clearly like this, nothing hectic. Another problem, right? I after logging in, I saw this. I was like, okay, sharp. You currently have no goals set up, blah blah blah. Add a new goal today and start saving. I was like, okay, but where is the why? Like, why should I do this? You know, give me something compelling, something interesting, you know, that can get me excited to create a goal. That was lacking for me. I thought this would be great by introducing an interactive and engaging calculator. You can see if I were to save 500 bucks, right? And I can play with that amount and see how much interest I'll get, right? And I can see, okay, if I save for longer, I get more interest. If I also, you know, switch banks to TymeBank, you know, have my salary deposited there, you know, I can get more interest. So let me just show you guys how this works. Okay, you just slide, you get more interest. From 530 to 535, then 8%, I get 540, and it says if your salary is paid into your TymeBank. Okay, great, right? This is how this thing looks like. I'm just zooming in for you guys so that you can see. You can just pause here, right, and then see the details. Shh, guys, okay, please don't tell anyone. This is just a random surprise. I'll be doing a lot of these surprises, but yeah, this UberEats voucher, I created it using TymeBank, and it is actually active. It's real, guys. So grab it, use it, enjoy the meal, come back in the comment section and let me know if you are that guy who got it. Okay, I'll be curious to see who's the first person to notice this. Sharp. Okay, I came across this beneficiaries page, and you know, I don't have any saved beneficiaries, right? And I saw that there's a search by beneficiary name. Dev guys, please, let's build some logic. This stuff is not relevant. When the table is empty, now there's no need for me to see a search, right? There's no need for me to even see this table. We should be like using some like persuasive design, more exciting design, right? That will actually like sell me the value of creating a beneficiary. Solution. Okay guys, I was just teasing you here. Okay, I can't teach you everything. Okay guys, I'm sure someone can come up with that solution. Anyways, I thought I could skip that for you. Another problem that I experienced was after logging in, I was browsing through the site. I saw some other details, you know. I was like, okay, cool. Let me see what this like withdraw and deposit cash option. What is that about? Okay, I clicked on that, and then it says like, okay, cool, cash deposit. Blah, blah. Okay, I saw, and then I chose the cash deposit option. I had a lot of question marks here. I'm like, okay, I'm so confused right now. I'm at home, working from home. I'm online. How do I deposit physical cash? How does it work? How does this work? Should I play with the money, right? I had to go to Google, search TymeBank, cash deposit, cash withdrawal, blah, blah, blah. Stumbled upon YouTube video. Some lady like, you know, tried to explain this thing to me. Eventually I got it. But this is not great. I'm sure all of the all users don't want to go through this experience, right? And unless like a friend explains this to you, and you don't want that. The design should be self-explanatory, right? Anyways, so what I thought would be a great idea is if you click on withdraw and deposit cash, you see this, right? And we've got a video that says show me how we demonstrate this thing visually.
Use your
Click
cell
on
phone
it.
to log into your account when you're at a Pick and Pay or
Okay,
Boxer
let's
store.
see this lady, right?
Go to menu,
I can see that
choose
she's
cash,
like teaching me,
and then select
hey,
cash
do
withdrawal.
this, etc., right?
Enter the amount you need and tap
Kind
Get
of like makes
Time
sense.
Code. You'll have half an hour to show that code to the cashier
Cool,
to
cool.
withdraw your cash.
And let's
It
wait
won't
for her
take
to
that
be
long if you're
done.
already in the queue.
I think she's done now. Thank you. Bye. Okay. Can click on cash deposit. Now I can complete the journey. I'm feeling confident. If I forgot to tap on that option, even here it is still available, right? Okay, guys, that's the end. Hello, head of design. Hello, product owner. Hello, developers. Hello, designers at TymeBank. I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think about the experience that I've shared? What do you think about the suggested solutions that I've shared with you? Do you think you would implement any of those? I'll be curious. I want you guys to share this, video with your colleagues. I would be curious to hear what their reaction is, and I'll be doing more videos. I'll cover TymeBank again, but from a different context. So subscribe so that you can come back and not miss that video. Please share your thoughts, guys, in the comment section below. Let's engage. Thanks. Hey, cool looking designers. We cover a wide range of latest design content that will help you to be a kick-ass designer in 2022. Check out our channel and subscribe. Let me know if this channel is useful to you. If you found this content to be useful, hit the like button. If you have a topic you want me to cover, just leave a comment below. Thanks.